Malo, malo. I had no idea time was supposed to go up an hour last night. So I figure, what better time to talk about time? Of course you'll need to know your numbers in Samoan. You've heard the expression, the time strikes? Well, in Samoan, strike is expressed as ta or ka. So you'll hear ukalifia or walikemi when someone wants to know what time it is. There's more to this, but we're just going to talk about two concepts today. The amount of time before the hour and the amount of time after the hour. Now, it's straightforward when we're talking about like right on the hour. We'll use 1 or tasi since I'm pretty confident most people know what number tasi is. If not, tasi means 1. Ukalifia, ukalikasi. The time struck 1. Let's do time after 1. Sefulu means 10. Ukalifia, sefulu minute ete aile tasi. So, sefulu minute, 10 minutes, ete ai, past the 1. How about if it's 12:50 or 10 minutes before the 1? Ukalifia, toi sefulu minute ile tasi. Notice the description word toi is said before the amount of minutes before the hour, and the description phrase ete ai, describing the amount of minutes after the hour, is said after the number of minutes. There's more to this and telling time, but this is Instagram, so